How to use Amazon PPC for upsell. So basically, upsell is a terminology which mostly used in e-commerce business, and the meaning of this is when you're putting some money in promotion or advertising your product, and after spending that amount of money, a customer comes to you and purchases a product from you. So if you sell them more than one product or service to get more money and more profit, so that's called upsell. Because by the end of every month, when you make your profit and loss statement of your business, so you will calculate your profit as per the amount of ad spend or amount of money spent on the promotion of your product. Because in online selling, the equation is simple. Like you will spend money in purchasing product inventory and you'll spend some money in promoting that product so people can actually purchase that product. And then when you subtract those two amounts from your total revenue, then the left amount will be your profit. So for example, if by the end of the month, you divide the total amount on advertisement spent by the total revenue you will get, so you will get the value for per sale. For example, after spending $1,000 on advertisement, if you get 1,000 sale, that means you have got one sale against $1, right? But if you upsell, if you do something that you pay only $1 to bring that one customer to you, but they will end up purchasing more than one product, maybe two, maybe three, or maybe five products. So if you spend $1 to bring one customer and that customer purchase five products of $1, so that will be a total bill of $5. So against the spend of that $1, you will get $5 revenue. So basically this whole thing is called upsell, and right now in this short video, I'm going to show you how you can actually use this upsell technique to basically double or maybe triple your Amazon FBA revenue. And by implementing this simple technique, you can just keep spending the same amount of money in advertisement which you are spending now, but against that money, you can actually sell more than one product to all of your customers who are willing to purchase one product from you. So if you're excited to learn about this, then keep on watching this short video step by step till the end. So as you can see that this is my 1 week sales, and if I put the filter for past 1 year and click on apply, so you can see that this is my 1 year sales. You can see that throughout the year I got consistent sales, and my sales actually increased in December, which was Christmas season. So around 150k was the revenue, and the cool thing about this is that the PPC spend was very less for the lifetime. So basically I don't do any magic, I only use common sense and use some tips and tricks which I've already explained you in these videos. So if you also want to learn all of those tips, tricks and strategies, you can just go on my Amazon playlist on YouTube and learn all the tips for free just to get the revenue like this. Alright guys, so as you can see here, I'm on my laptop right now, and from here I have opened Amazon website. So as you guys already know about the concept of upselling, so let me just show you an example of customer psychology, like how you can upsell them. So for example, if on Amazon I search for any product like bamboo steamer and press enter, so you can see that after searching that keyword, Amazon is showing me some listings again keyword. So if I open any one of the listing, just like this one, so here you can see that you need to understand the customer psychology. Like what is the customer journey? Like they want a bamboo steamer, they go on Amazon, type for a bamboo steamer, and after typing from the results which they saw, so they click on any one of the listing, and the factor of clicking may be the low price, the good reviews, or the good image. Right? So after opening that listing, I can see that if I pay $39.99, I will get a bamboo steamer, a steamer ring, and some silicone mat, right? So every product is having something to do with some other product. Like for example, the shoes and the socks are having a relation, because if someone purchases shoes, that means they must need a socks. Maybe they are already having it, or maybe they are willing to purchase. So if you are selling a shoes, so the upsell will be to sell a socks or to sell a shoelace, right? So if you are selling one product, then try to sell other products similar to that category which people need. So just like in this case, if I go on main page of bamboo steamer, people are only selling bamboo steamer and are selling this stainless steel ring individually in other listing, right? But this seller has combined both of the product in one same listing, right? So for example, if you are selling a steamer basket and a stainless steel ring in a separate listing, so what you can do is you can just sell the steamer basket at $29.99, and you can additionally make a listing for the ring for $10. And then for that ring listing, you can just target that listing on Amazon PPC campaign as a product targeting for the basket. So whenever someone go on your listing to purchase a basket, so when they scroll down, so under your title, under your bullet point, they will be able to see the ad of your steamer ring, which Amazon will show you. Because whenever you open Amazon listing, under the title, you can see bullet point, and under the bullet point after that feature, you will be able to see this placement, and this placement is basically for PPC advertisement, in which anyone can target your listing and show their ads on your listing. So maybe people who are visiting your listing can purchase from their listing. right? So if you occupy this place, if you save this space for your other product listing, like if you're selling a shoes and you target your shoes listing in your socks advertisement, and when someone is purchasing shoes from your listing, so they will be able to see a socks listing under that, and that socks listing is also belong to you. So then there are high chances for your buyer to purchase socks and shoes both from your page. Just for an example, if I scroll down on the same page, so on the left side I can see, if I scroll further down, Amazon is suggesting me two products like frequently bought together. So basically Amazon is suggesting this based on this AI algorithm. Like Amazon see that if some people are purchasing bamboo steamer, so they are also purchasing steamer mat. Just like that, Amazon know that if someone purchases shoes, they must need socks. So basically this portion is recommended by Amazon, not advertisement, but you can just do this by yourself manually by targeting your one product into Amazon PPC product targeting campaign for the other product. So in that way you can actually combine the traffic for your two listing into one. Like if someone is here to purchase your shoes, you can sell them socks as well, or if someone is here to purchase your socks, so you can sell them shoes as well. And just like that, if you scroll down, you can see that in the product description, in the EBC content, you can actually tag your other products as well. Like you can see that in the product description, I can see the brand name is Happy Studio, and on the right side I can see there are basically 4 products they are selling. This bamboo steamer, this steamer ring, this honey bottle, and this frying pan, I think. So they have basically combined all 4 products into a storefront and put that storefront link like Happy Studio, visit the storefront in the description. So this is a second way of upselling your Amazon product. Like if someone is here on your listing purchasing any one of your product, so you can basically show them all of your product catalog in your description. And if your product are from same category, just I give you an example of shoes and socks, so they might be interested in purchasing more products from your store if they're satisfied with your product or service, right? So if I click on visit the store, so here you can see that on their main store, when I click on that, I can see all of their product. So basically if I am here to purchase one of their product, so I might ended up purchasing more product from their store. So these were the 2 best possible ways to upsell your Amazon product. Number 1 is target your other products in your PPC advertisement product targeting, and number 2 is put your storefront link or other products catalog in one product description, so you can divert traffic from one listing to another listing, so you can actually upsell. And if you want to learn how to actually target your product into Amazon PPC campaign, so you can watch my other video in this same playlist, and I'll put the link of that video in the description as well. So you can learn how to actually target one product into other product listing with the help of Amazon PPC targeting step by step. So you can actually do this upselling practically. So I hope at this point you have complete knowledge about upselling and how you can actually upsell your products on Amazon to get double revenue at the same amount of ad spend you are doing right now. So right after watching this video, go there, try to make connections between your product so you can also upsell more than one product to a single customer. So that's it for today guys. I hope you really enjoyed the video and learned something great from it. So if you find my content really informative and helpful for you, then make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel as well, so you can watch more and more videos like this in future. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.
What we do here is go back.